today I'm going a little bit back to basics and I'm going to show you how to cover your eyebrows. So the brands that I'll be using are Mastix Spirit Gum by Kryolan, and very importantly, also get the Mastix remover, otherwise you're going to be stuck with no eyebrows for quite a while. For the glue stick, I'll be using the Pritt stick. It's the one that I found worked best. I've tried a few different brands, but if you do go for another brand, make sure that it's non-toxic and water-based. Start off by cleaning your eyebrows with alcohol to help the glue stick better by removing any oils from the skin and hair. Rub the glue stick in a circular motion, and both from the right and from the left, over the top and underneath, to make sure everything is covered with glue. Use a clean mascara wand to brush the hairs upwards. Make sure that no hairs are crossing, as this will create bumps. Use some water on a cotton pad to smooth the edges. Wait for it to completely dry, then run the glue stick over the eyebrows from underneath and straight up. Use a damp cotton pad to smooth it again and wait for it to dry, then repeat. Now run your fingers across the brow. If it feels bumpy, repeat again on those areas until it feels smooth. If it still feels bumpy, run the glue stick from side to side to cover gaps. Add a layer of spirit gum. And the reason for this is that because glue stick is water-based, it's limited what products you can use on top of it. I found that quite a few liquid foundations and water-based products, such as water-based body paint, will soften the glue and mess it up. But spirit gum is completely water resistant, so I found adding a layer of this gives better staying power and will enable you to use any products on top. When it has started to dry, smooth using a card such as an old credit card smeared with a bit of Vaseline to help smooth and to stop the glue from sticking to it. So if you can take me seriously for 1 second with these eyebrows, what I'm going to use to cover them is the DermaColor Camouflage Cream Makeup by Kryolan. If you haven't heard about this product before, it's one of the most highly pigmented concealers on the market. It was made to cover heavy skin discoloration and tattoos, so it's perfect if you have really dark eyebrows like mine. You can get them in single colors or in palettes. This one is the 16 color mini palettes in medium. So I'm going to use a concealer brush, and I'm going to start off with D64, which is quite a dark orangey yellow color, and I use this color because it will cancel out any blue color that may occur. Blend the edges. Then I'm using DermaColor Waterproof Fixing Powder, pressing it on with a powder puff. Then use a color that matches the foundation you'll be wearing. If you only use glue stick, use a cream foundation and make sure you don't use any water-based products on top of it. Add foundation to your whole face and over the top of the eyebrows, but press and don't drag. You will want to use a full coverage foundation because a light foundation won't leave the rest of your skin as smooth and one-colored as your eyebrows, and you'll be able to see the difference between your eyebrows and the rest of your skin. Follow with powder. So I really hope that this was helpful for you, and don't despair if you can't do this on the first go if it's your first time, because it does take a little bit of practice. So just try it out a few times and see how you get on. But if you have any questions at all, just ask me in the comments below. And for those who don't know me, I'm a professional makeup artist based in London, and I've been doing so for quite a few years now and have a lot of experience that I would like to share with you. So if you want to learn more tricks of the trade, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.